Welcome to the first course lecture, where we will go over how to install Python and PyCharm on your computer. Our first order of business is to get Python installed on your computer. For that, you need to open your browser of choice and then head on over to the page www.python.org/downloads. When you get to that page, you will see a button saying Download Python 3 point number. In my case, the version number is 3.7.3, but your version number may be different. In any case, if the version of Python that you download is a later version than mine, you should still be able to follow along with the course. Go ahead and click on the button to install Python. Once it is finished downloading, find the Python installer package that you just downloaded. Double-click on it, then click Continue, then Continue again, then Continue again, then click Agree. When you get here, click Install, enter your password, then click Install Software, and when you're finished, you can close any windows that appear. Since I don't need the Python installer anymore, I'm just going to move it to the trash. Great job! You now have Python installed on your computer. Now that we have that out of the way, the next step is to install a text editor, since we need a program or environment in which we can write our Python code. While you could write Python code in any text editor such as Notepad or TextEdit, there are special text editors that are better suited for writing code. They are called Integrated Development Environments, or IDEs for short. IDEs are preferred over run-of-the-mill text editors because they include many useful features which help make writing, reading, fixing, and viewing the output of code much easier for programmers. For example, a couple features commonly included with an IDE are syntax highlighting, which makes code easier to read through the use of varied colors and fonts for different parts of code, and built-in error notifications which give you pointers about what may be causing them. In this course, I will write and show you examples using the PyCharm IDE, which is one of the most popular IDEs for writing Python. To install PyCharm, you need to open your browser and go to jetbrains.com/PyCharm. Once you get there, click the Download Now button. That will take you to this page, where you will see download buttons for the professional and community versions of PyCharm. We will be using the community version in this course since it is free and we won't be using Python for web development. You would have to pay to use the professional version, and you would need to use the professional version if you wanted to do web development in PyCharm using Python web frameworks such as Django or Flask. Click on this button to download the community version of PyCharm. Once it is finished downloading, find it and click on it to run it. I'm going to have to drag it to my Applications folder since I'm on a Mac.